Welcome to the best pick. The best boob tape is probably one of the most revolutionary yet often misunderstood beauty hacks, offering an instant, customizable lift and support that can transform your silhouette for any outfit, from backless gowns to plunging necklines, without the need for a traditional bra, empowering you to feel confident and secure in your style choices. Number 5. Nippies Nipple Covers. Tired of visible lines under your favorite outfits? These innovative covers offer a smooth, seamless look, giving you complete confidence in any attire. Crafted from high-quality sticky silicone, they provide reliable adhesion. Plus, you can wear them again and again, making them an eco-friendly choice. Each pair comes with a convenient travel case, ensuring they stay clean and protected. Slip them into your purse for discreet support wherever you go. Whether you prefer the classic original circle or need a little extra shaping with the lift style, they have an option for every preference. Find the perfect fit for your needs. Specifically designed for women, they provide comfort and discretion. Experience the freedom of going braless or wearing sheer fabrics without worry. What we like? These offer reliable, reusable coverage for everyday wear. With their convenient travel case, they're perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. If you're looking for versatile, discreet coverage you can use repeatedly, these are an excellent choice. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points can be extracted. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to extract points. Number 4. Nippies Nipple Covers. Discover the secret to flawless outfits. These innovative covers provide a smooth, discreet look under any clothing. Crafted from high-quality sticky silicone, they offer reliable adhesion. Plus, they're designed for multiple uses, making them an eco-friendly choice. Never worry about storage again. Each pair comes with a convenient travel case, perfect for keeping them clean and protected wherever you go. Choose the style that best suits your needs. They are available in both the original circle and a supportive lift design. Experience ultimate freedom in your wardrobe. With them, you can confidently wear backless tops, sheer fabrics, and more without a second thought. What we like? This version provides a subtle lift and smooth silhouette. Its reusable design ensures long-lasting wear and value. If you need a gentle lift for specific outfits or desire a seamless look, this option is ideal. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source data. Therefore, no specific product points can be extracted. Number 3. Busties Boob Tape Kit. Introducing the Busties Boob Tape Kit, your secret to flawless support. This comprehensive kit comes with 12 pieces, ensuring you have plenty for multiple uses. Designed for universal fit, applying it is incredibly simple. You can achieve the perfect lift and shape with minimal effort, no matter your body type. Experience an instant breast lift with this innovative Boobytape. It provides reliable support, giving you confidence in any outfit. Specifically engineered to provide excellent support, it's ideal for large breasts. This tape offers a comfortable and secure hold throughout the day. Each pack includes not just the tape, but also pedals and covers for your nipples. These ensure complete comfort and discretion, making it a truly comprehensive solution. Crafted in a nude shade, it blends seamlessly with your skin tone. This makes it virtually invisible under clothing, perfect for any occasion. What we like? This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a successful lift. Its universal fit and easy application make it user-friendly for all. If you're new to boob tape or want an all-in-one solution, this kit is perfect. What people say. Number 2. Boobytape Plus 4-inch wide breast lift tape. This innovative tape provides the perfect support and lift for your breasts, giving you the shape you desire. You can achieve your ideal look anytime, anywhere, with confidence. Wear it with halter tops, strapless designs, backless dresses, or even swimsuits. It adapts to all your fashion choices, ensuring you feel confident on any occasion. Crafted from a blend of 95% cotton and 5% spandex, it's waterproof, sweatproof, and breathable. Its strong adhesion keeps it securely in place, even during intense activities. With a generous 4-inch width, it comfortably fits a wide range of cup sizes, from A to G and beyond. You can easily cut it to your desired length for a custom fit. While perfect for enhancing your bust, it offers versatile applications. You can also use it to protect other body parts or muscle tissue, providing flexible support wherever needed. For best results, it's recommended not to wear it for more than 8 hours. When removing, peel it slowly, and alcohol can assist in a gentler removal process. What we like. This tape stands out with its generous 4-inch width, offering superior support. It's designed for larger cup sizes, from A to G, ensuring a secure lift. If you have larger breasts or need extra coverage and support, this wider tape is your go-to. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no helpful points could be extracted for decision-making. Number 1. Nippies Reusable Nipple Covers. Discover the ultimate solution for discreet coverage. These innovative covers are designed specifically for women seeking confidence in any outfit. Experience unparalleled discretion with their extra thick design. This ensures no show-through, giving you peace of mind. Choose from 2 versatile shapes, teardrop and semicircle. They adapt perfectly to different clothing styles and personal preferences. Achieve a flawless look with their no-show coverage. You'll forget you're even wearing them, while others won't notice a thing. They are ideal for challenging ensembles like backless outfits and strapless dresses. Feel free to wear what you love, without compromise. What we like. These covers provide extra thick coverage for ultimate discretion. Their unique teardrop and semicircle shapes adapt to various necklines. If you prioritize maximum coverage and a completely invisible look under sheer or backless garments, these are a fantastic option. What people say. No reviews available from the provided empty source to extract points. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to extract points. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.